Wood restoration with liquid wood and wood epox. One of the biggest challenges in building maintenance is dealing with deteriorated wood. Rotted wood that has been damaged by water and mold, or wood that has weathered badly due to exposure to the elements, can be easily restored using Abitron's wood restoration products. These products have been used for decades to restore our nation's most popular structures, including Mount Vernon, the Statue of Liberty, and even log cabins at Yellowstone National Park. That same technology is available to restore your home or building, and you can do the work yourself. First, you will need liquid wood, a liquid epoxy compound that penetrates deteriorated wood and restores its strength. With liquid wood, a crumbling piece of wood can be restored to a rigid, durable, water-resistant material. You will also need wood epox, a lightweight epoxy paste that fills voids and replaces missing sections of wood. Once cured, wood epox can be painted, stained, carved, nailed, and drilled just like wood. Liquid wood and wood epox are ideal for both interior and exterior repairs because they are non-shrinking and permanent. They also contain no solvents or water and do not emit noxious odors. Accessories that are useful when working with liquid wood and wood epox include disposable gloves, a plastic applicator bottle, putty knife, mixing containers, and mixing sticks. The first step in the repair is preparing the wood. The surface should be clean and free of any paint, grease, or oil. The wood should also be dry to the touch and have a moisture content of less than 17%. This can be measured with a moisture meter. Loose debris or crumbling wood can be removed with a wire brush. Finally, small holes can be drilled into the damaged areas in order to allow liquid wood to penetrate deeper into the wood. The holes should be approximately 1/8 inch in diameter, and be sure not to drill all the way through the wood. Now that the surface is prepared, combine equal volumes of liquid wood part A and liquid wood part B. Mix the two parts thoroughly and then allow 5 to 10 minutes before applying the product to the damaged wood. Liquid wood can be brushed, poured, or injected using a plastic applicator bottle. It is a good idea to wear disposable plastic gloves while applying liquid wood and protect the surrounding area from drips with plastic or newspaper. Fill any holes that were drilled and continue to apply liquid wood until the wood is saturated and will no longer absorb any more product. Spills can be cleaned up with Abitron's Abazolve or rubbing alcohol. Be sure to keep the weather in mind while working with liquid wood and wood epox. Cold temperatures slow down the curing process, while heat accelerates it. Therefore, it is best to work at outside temperatures between 50 and 90 degrees. Using a heat gun or an electric hair dryer will also accelerate the curing process. After the liquid wood has been applied, the damaged area can be filled or rebuilt with wood epox. Mix together equal parts of wood epox part A with wood epox part B. A precise measurement is not necessary, but the two parts should appear to be very close to equal. Simply blend the product in your hands until the combination is a uniform color. Be sure to wear plastic gloves because the product will become somewhat sticky. It can be tinted by adding dry pigment to it while mixing. Once mixed, the wood epox can be applied to the damaged areas even while the liquid wood is still tacky. Use your hands or a putty knife to apply the product, or fill larger areas using forms or a straight edge. Using a small amount of rubbing alcohol on your putty knife or finger will lubricate the product and allow you to smooth the surface of the wood epox before it cures. Depending on temperature, wood epox will harden in about an hour. Once hardened, wood epox is an extremely versatile product. It can be sanded easily by hand or with an electric sander. It holds paint year after year, even without a primer. It can be stained using conventional wood stains. It can be nailed into or screwed into. And it can be routed or carved for decorative effects. Liquid wood and wood epox can be used to restore wood almost anywhere. Use these products for windowsills and sashes, columns, clapboards, logs, doors and thresholds, furniture, boats, or anywhere else you may find rotted wood. Liquid wood and wood epox have been used for over 30 years to make strong, cost-effective, permanent repairs. Put them to work for you.